Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you The Sounds of College by Pete Moss Jr. The following excerpts were recorded unknowingly to ensure a maximum authenticity. Enjoy.
On Friday, I will give here's the thing, and I know Zach is not here, and who else are we missing?
Ashley.
Okay, we're missing somebody else. Ashley. So we're missing two people, but if absolutely everybody, if I can get 100% return on teaching evaluations, I don't have access to them in terms of like if they're good or bad. So if you want to rate me over the coals, go for it. But if I have 100% participation, everybody will get 5 points extra credit.
So she got everything though?
Yeah.
Okay, we good?
I got your part, his part, and Bucky's part.
Okay, cool. Better head out now?
Yeah, I'm about to head over to Super Sequels, pay a little bill of mine.
I got you.
It is an ultra taboo to be gay. Black males express their sexuality mostly in all male spaces.
Everything you surround yourself with, and that's another thing that I had to separate myself from. Trying to become, and then I noticed people started associating me with like them. Like this one dude tried to talk to me this semester, and he actually got to talking to me and got to know me, and we friends, we cool now. But he was like, "I'm gonna tell you some real shit." I was like, "What's up?" He was like, "When I first met you, he's like, I was gonna try you." He's like, "Cause the people you hang out with, I heard were kind of easy too."
How you doing? All right.
How you been?
Good.
That's good.
It's kind of warm, ain't it, for that jacket?
I'm okay now.
All right, then.
Say combine emotions, say no, but say a black man about sexual things, black men also go so we're separating sexual and emotional.
Today, because I'm gonna be out on Saturday, I'm gonna be at the pool all day long, and I don't want to get like too burnt where I can't be out. You know, you're welcome to come on Saturday.
Get some damn free drinks over there, that's much as
I drank. I was supposed to work tonight, but then I told him I wasn't going to. I think I should do. So my last night of work was Saturday, and I was drunk as shit.
Yes, you were. Were you there? Yeah, I was. I was trying to get Bob a drink off of you, actually. I was like, dude, go get me a drink.
I was drunk as shit.
Yeah, it's one.
And you know, I understand different viewpoints from it. I think I was just productive, straight up. The more you decide to get involved, or you get involved in your discipline or find something you're passionate about, and you use the university, don't let the university use you. And so, you know, you come out, you know, you didn't really come up with a good experience to me. There's no one you can really blame except yourself, especially if you stayed 4 years and never transferred to another university. But my thing is, you know, the grass is always greener on the other side. People can say, oh, I went to this college for the weekend, it was so beautiful, and it was amazing, and I had an excellent time. But you don't know, every school is going to have its problems because school's made up of people.